All right, boys and girls, so we're going to work on our guided class practice, lesson 31A. I'm going to try this in a different format and see if it works a little bit better for all of our students, because we've been having some issues with our technology. Okay, so everybody get your worksheet 31A, and let's start by putting our name at the top. Okay, so name at the top and our date. Okay, today's date is January 21st, 2021. Okay, so remember with the video, if you need a little bit more time to catch up, just hit pause and then hit play as soon as you're ready to go to the next problem. Okay, so our first one, we're going to start with the story problem. So let's read together. You guys follow along with me. Tim had 10 dimes. He gave 3 to his brother. How many dimes does Tim have now? Draw a picture and write a number sentence for this story. Write the answer with a label. Okay, so let's take a look at our story and we're going to start drawing it out. Tim had 10 dimes. He gave 3 to his brother. Okay, we're trying to find out how many dimes he has left. So I'm thinking, is this a some more or some less story? So yeah, I think we're starting with a some and then we're giving some away, so it's a some less. So let's go ahead, let's draw out our 10 dimes. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, Tim is going to give 3 to his brother. So let's cross out 3 of our dimes. Okay, how many dimes does Tim have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so good. So we found the answer. So let's do our number sentence. So what did we start with? How many dimes did Tim start with? Okay, yeah, he started with 10. Okay, since he gives some away, are we going to add or subtract? Yeah, we're going to subtract. So minus, he gave 1, 2, 3 away to his brother. And it equals, this amount equals 7. So here's our number sentence. Our answer is 7. And then remember, we need to add that label. So 7 what? So 7 dimes. Okay, so make sure when the instructions tell you to add that label, make sure you're adding the label on there. Okay, number 2, how much money is this? Okay, so let's take a look. Let's see what we have. Okay, we have a dime. Remember, dimes are worth 10. So let's just put underneath each one, let's put the amount that it's worth, and then we'll count them up. So we've got 10, got another dime, another dime, another dime, and another dime. And then we have 2 pennies. So pennies, remember, are worth 1 cent. Okay, so let's count them up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52 cents. So that's right, 52. And then our symbol for cents is a lowercase c with a line through it. Okay, so just like we added the label here, it's important to add this here, because we're not talking dollars, we're not talking dimes, there's not 52 dimes, so we want to make sure we add that label on there. Okay, number 3 says number the clock face. Show 11:30 on both clocks. Okay, so let's start with our numbering. What number goes at the very top of our clock? 12. What goes at the very bottom? 6. What goes to the right? Yep, 3. And what goes to the left? 9. Okay, and then we're going to fill in our numbers in between. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so we've got it numbered. Hit pause if you need to, and then hit play when you're ready to start again. Okay, we need to show 11:30 on both clocks. Okay, so let's start with our hour hand. Remember, the hour hand is the short hand. So 1/2 means it's going to be halfway between that 11 and the 12. So I'm going to draw my line so it's showing halfway. Our minute hand is the long hand, so it is going to stretch all the way down to the bottom. Okay, so I'm showing 11:30 here. 11:30 here, we start with our hour, 11. And when it's 1/2, remember there's 60 minutes in an hour. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Here's 11:30. It is also the same as 1/2. Good, now let's go to number 4. Okay, the children in Mrs. Abbott's class made this graph. So let's take a look at the graph. Our weekday wake-up times. Okay, that's just like what we did. Okay, during our live lesson. So here we go. They filled in the different times. Let's look at our first question we're going to answer. How many children wake up at 7:30? So 7:30. That's 7:30. 5:30, 6, 6:30, 7, 7:30. So let's see, how many children? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 children wake up at 7:30. Next question, how many more children wake up at 7 than at 6? Okay, so 7 o'clock is here, 6 o'clock is here. So let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 children that get up at 7. 1, 2, 3 children get up at 6. So to find out how many more, we just need to look at those little empty spaces there. So we have, there's 2 more children that wake up at 7. Okay, good. Now to our last one, our fact families that we've been practicing. Write an addition and subtraction fact family using the numbers 5, 6, and 11. Okay, so remember what we've been doing with our calendar. Out of these 3 numbers, which one is the largest number? Circle it. Okay, yeah, 11 is the largest. So 11 we know is our whole. I'm going to put a little W there. Our 5 and our 6, those are our parts. We add the parts together. So let's start there. So 5 plus 6 equals 11. Okay, our other addition fact, so we can turn those around. We could say 6 plus 5 equals 11. Okay, there's our 2 addition facts for our fact family. Now we're going to do our subtraction. Remember, subtraction, we always start with the whole. So we're going to start with the whole, and we're going to take away one of the parts. So let's see, 11 minus 5 equals, what's the other part? 6. Good. And our last one, we're going to switch it around. So 11 minus 6 equals 5. Okay, good. All right, boys and girls, so turn your paper over. You're going to do this side on your own. Okay, so I'd like you to take a picture of this side. This is going to be the one I grade and upload it. Or if I sent you the link by email, so Elia, Harmony, Auntie could just take a picture and send it to me. Okay? All right, boys and girls, thank you.